Hello friends, welcome to Mia's Spice World. Today we will be making Venpongal. Venpongal is a traditional South Indian dish made with rice, split yellow moong dal, ghee, pepper and other spices. Venpongal is one of the main food that is made during Pongal or Sankranti. It is also a comfort food for many South Indians. It is ideal to serve this as breakfast with coconut chutney and sambar. This super aromatic, delicious and power-packed dish can be made under 30 minutes. The recipe that I have shared is the way we make at home, and we usually make it using a pressure cooker. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and also hit the bell button for latest notifications. Do watch this video till the end. So, let's get started. In a pressure cooker, add 1/4 cup of split yellow moong dal and dry roast them in low-medium flame. Roast them well till they begin to smell nice and aromatic. The color of the dal should not change. Switch off the flame and add 3/4 cup of any short grain rice. Avoid using basmati rice for making pongal as it won't taste the same. Wash them at least 3 times. Drain the water completely and pour 3/4 or 3.5 cups of water. Add salt and cook the rice and dal to a soft texture. On a medium flame, pressure cook for 2 to 3 whistles. Open the cooker when the pressure drops. Gently mash up the cooked rice and dal to a creamy consistency. It should be mushy and soggy. If the pongal is too dry, add some boiling water to bring it to a creamy consistency and allow the pongal to boil for few minutes. Now, for tempering our Venpongal, we need 3 tablespoons of ghee, 1 teaspoon of whole pepper, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 10 to 12 split cashew nuts, 1 or 2 chopped green chilies, 1 teaspoon finely chopped ginger, few curry leaves, finally a pinch of turmeric and asafoetida or hing. Heat a small pan and add 3 tablespoons of ghee. To the pan, add whole pepper and cumin seeds. When the seeds splutter, add the split cashew nuts. Fry for a couple of seconds. Add chopped green chilies and ginger. Saute for few seconds. Finally, add the curry leaves and saute till it turns crisp. Switch off the flame and add asafoetida and turmeric powder. Pour this to the cooked pongal. Mix well so the flavors are well absorbed. Our mouth-watering and creamy Venpongal is ready to be served with coconut chutney and sambar. Do try this recipe and give your feedback. This will keep us motivated to bring more such videos. Also, like this video and share with your friends. Meet you soon with another interesting recipe. Until then, keep smiling and stay safe.